Yes, yeah. Wait, no.
Everything as
left.
we saw laughing out last 2 weeks ago. So, yeah.
Sold 1/20th of that.
I mean, better games have sold less.
Is that real? Is that true?
Like, whatever would happen with any exclusives, because you're like,
Turn left.
is you buying them
You have reached
just
your destination
like Epic
on
Games
your
storing
right.
them? Like, are you purchasing them?
So far away from whatever the last one was that it's a leap to get
Yeah,
there.
hold on. Let me tuck my dreads in front of my face and read it. The intro is
Turn
basically
right.
one
Ashton
moment.
Way.
Yeah,
It's
cool.
one moment
It's one like 10-second
for
piece out of
the whole show, for the whole intro. But surprisingly, right? Something about there's certain shows that just are like there's just more to track than others, right?
Yeah.
And at any given moment,
Game
like,
of Thrones, a check and a map.
Oh my god.
Cross the roundabout and take the first.
At the very, very top, which is way above everything else, Smith appreciates acts of service.
Go left on the
Things going out
roundabout
of their way to do
and
things
take the
for
first
you.
exit.
It's a token of appreciation. We can scroll down to the
We could do
Yeah.
send them into hatchat@hat-games.com. If you're watching, it's on the screen. It's hatchat at.
I played 2 but games. I think now it's going the other. I think now it's going more to the hardcores, and all the people that were in the boardroom when they were 25 talking about Call of Duty, now they're all 35.
Yeah.
And
That's amazing.
Then
Static
take
X.
the
I'm going to do a big shout out to Static X.
Need for Speed Underground 2.
Yes, that's such a, yeah, I remember that.
I love Static X.
Fuck.
It's that
God,
dude.
you know, it would still be like
I saw Stargate SG-1
You
though,
have
Daniel
reached
just
your
that
destination on your
world
right.
and got the radiation poisoning. All right. Also, there's an episode where Riker shows up on Voyager because Q's shenanigans.
okay, because I'm like, okay, that character from that other series is looking at Jean-Luc Picard.
What?
I think that's a lot.
What are these? Hold on. I want to know what these
Turn
are.
left.
Tips of their
Then
what's?
you have reached your destination on
Fucking
your
hell,
right.
thank
Have
you.
eyes on the tips of their
First
Writing
exit,
bullshit.
B3160.
It's just that kid that came in
Bath
and said,
Hill.
"Oh man, my dad works at Capcom and he saw the new characters and and then a new game comes out and you're too busy talking." In the meantime, you know what you're doing right now?
What's that?
Word of mouth.
Yes.
This is literally word of mouth.
It's a good game. You should play it.
Yeah, Outer Wilds is fantastic. It was another game with a franchise that made its first open world driving debut.